Coach, second day of prep week for Washington. How's it been?
I'm pleased with the kids' effort and energy right now. You know, we still got some things to clean up as far as the game plan and execution of it, but the effort's been excellent, and we just got to continue that. Tomorrow will be our last hard work day, and then we'll really start, honing the edges of the game plan.
Coming into fall camp, I guess there are probably most question marks inside at those guard spots. How do you assess those guys' play through 5 games?
I think they've been solid, not spectacular, but solid, and we just got to keep trying to up the bar and raise the raise the efficiency of those guys. But I've been overall fairly pleased. I think all 3 of those kids are improving. They're improving more. Physical player. They're mentally they've all been pretty good. So. We just got to keep working pad level and footwork and hand placement, and get them going, get everybody going, not just the guards.
You continue to move Andre and Everett around a lot. Is that something that's going to continue all season?
Probably, yeah. I mean, I always feel like I need to cover my bases as far as injuries and versatility in the guys. When you only can travel with 10 to a road game, you got to make sure that you have multiplicity in the positions.
Let's talk a little bit about Washington. What do you see on their front? Obviously, Danny Shelton's a guy that gets a lot of publicity, but what do you see?
Yeah, definitely. You got to be able to handle him inside because he's an extremely disruptive force inside. They're very athletic. Their ends can run. Their linebackers have great speed. And Justin Wilcox and his staff do a great job. I think they're extremely well coached. You don't pull things over on them formationally very well. I mean, they know how to align, they know how to assign, and so everything that we're going to get, is going to have to be earned. They're not going to give us anything.
Under Chip, it was always faceless opponent. I know it's probably the same now, but do you see under Helfrich a little bit more of an embrace of the rivalry week here with a team like Washington, who's got such a deep-rooted history with Oregon?
Really, it's about us, and that's the mindset that we take. That's the process that we take. It's us, and so no, I really don't see any big change in that. I mean, obviously, we don't have to tell the kids this is a big game. Washington's a good football team, and we're going to go into an extremely hostile environment, and so we just got to make sure that we're taking care of our game and ourselves, and we'll let the chips fall where they may be, when we get up to Seattle.
Best defensive line you think you've played so far? Is that fair to say?
I would say, yeah, probably the most active defensive line. Yeah, I would say that.
4-3 front, is that something you think you can exploit with your way your guys attack? The running game especially.
Well, they give you a mixture. They go 4-down looks, and then they stem and they get into a 3-down look, and they have that kind of versatility. They really mirror what our guys do here at Oregon. So from that standpoint, recognition and whatnot shouldn't be a huge issue because we practice against it every day against our guys.
Thanks, Coach. Appreciate it.
You're welcome.
Good luck.